You've been frustrated with your phone charging slowly? Well, don't worry anymore. Go into your control panel, turn on airplane mode, plug your phone back in, and just like magic, your phone's charging faster than ever. Want more hacks? Subscribe. Are you tired of scrubbing on plates for what seems like hours on hours? Well, now you don't have to. Get yourself some baking soda and sprinkle it evenly across the plate. Now let it soak for 3 minutes. And boom, that stain is coming right off with some water. Wow, look how shiny that plate is now. If you want more daily hacks, like, subscribe, and comment if you need anything hacked. Have you been struggling to grate a hard block of cheese without making a mess? Try the freezer bag grating hack. Just place your block of cheese in a freezer bag. Pop that thing into the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes, just long enough to firm it up without freezing it solid. Now, boom, want more hacks, subscribe. Ever taken a drink and realized your drink was hotter than the Sahara Desert? Well, I have the solution for you. Get yourself a plastic tub and some ice. Then, get yourself some salt. Put the salt in the ice and then mix it around a bit. Then take your drink and place it in the container with the ice and turn it halfway if your ice doesn't cover the drink completely. And this should take about 3 minutes and your drink will be very cool like this. Want more? Subscribe. Did you accidentally shrink your favorite sweater in the wash? Fear not. Start by filling up your sink. Then put some hair conditioner in the sink. Splash your hand around the water so it gets the water and conditioner all mixed up together. Now immerse your sweater completely in the sink. Once fully immersed, gently stretch your sweater out to its normal size. Hang it up or place on dry towel until completely dry. Do you want more hacks? Like, subscribe, share. Comment if you need anything hacked below. Do you struggle with peeling hard-boiled eggs like this guy? Well, now you don't have to. First, get yourself a hard plastic or glass container and fill it about a quarter way full of water. Next, you're going to want to get your egg and drop it in the container of water. And put the lid on, make sure it's on very tight. Shake as hard as you can for a few seconds and boom, just like that, that eggshell is sliding right off. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more, subscribe, like, leave a comment, share this with your friend. Peace. Dirty sneakers that need a quick shine? Grab some toothpaste and an old toothbrush. Toothpaste is a mild abrasive that can help clean and shine your sneakers. Apply toothpaste to the shoe and get your toothbrush out and start scrubbing gently in circular motion, focusing on scuffs and stains. Now grab a damp rag and start gently wiping away the toothpaste. Your shoe should come out shining and looking more fresh than ever. For more life hacks like this, like, share, and subscribe. Are you having trouble lighting candles or those hard to reach wicks? Introducing the pasta lighter hack. Grab a piece of uncooked spaghetti or pasta from your pantry. Light the end of the spaghetti and you've got yourself a makeshift long reach lighter. You can now use your lighter to light that candle that you've been struggling to light. Who knew pasta could be so handy? For more life hacks, like, subscribe, and share. Are you tired of not being able to see your screen on your device because of dust? It's time for the sock swipe. Grab a clean sock from your drawer. Slide your hand inside the sock like a puppet. Yes, we're serious. Now, gently swipe the sock across your screen. The soft fabric picks up dust and leaves your screen smudge free. Look at this shiny screen. Who knew socks could be so versatile? For more credible hacks, subscribe. Having trouble waking up feeling refreshed in the morning? Try the water alarm clock hack. Before going to bed, get a glass of water and fill it up and put it on your bedside stand. Next time you wake up, you'll be feeling like this. Rehydrating first thing in the morning, you'll feel more awake and energized, ready to tackle the day ahead. For more life hacks, like, share, and subscribe.